Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. Y'all, it has been a hot minute. I honestly could not tell you the last time I did this video, but we're going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag, the Boxycharm, and the Ipsy Icon box right here. That's right, we have all three of the Ipsy / Boxycharm boxes right here to unbox for the month of November. And I'm here to tell you guys whether or not it's worth it. So you guys want to see what's in all three boxes, and if they're worth it, well then definitely keep watching. So if you guys do not know, I have been on Ipsy's / Boxycharm PR list since January 2020. And as of this year, they did merge into one big company, aka Ipsy bought Boxycharm. So now we do get the Ipsy, the Boxycharm, and the Icon box. And sometimes I get just two, sometimes I get three. I never know I'm gonna get. And I know some of you guys have told me in my comment sections in previous videos that I could actually choose what I get in my boxes. As a PR person, I don't have any choices. They just literally send it to me. I don't have an app I can connect to. I don't have an account I connect to. They just send it to me. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and dive straight on in. So the first thing we have is the Ipsy Glam bag right here. Now this actually does retail for $14. That's freaking crazy. Now you do get 5 deluxe sample sizes in here, but $14? I remember when it was 12. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I do love the colors. I think the colors are really pretty. So let's see, what do we have here? All right, so it's gonna come in this really, actually, wow, this is actually quite nice. Really nice, soft, like makeup bag. This feels so soft. And the first thing that did fall out of here, probably wasn't in the bag, is going to be this Formula Z, the transformation brush. So there is this transformation brush right here, super cute. And let's see what we got in this bag. Now, typically in the past, I've really liked these bags. I tend to think they actually are worth it. So the first thing we have is something from Grown Alchemist. This is the Polishing Facial Exfoliant. Nice. I don't think I've ever tried this product before. Next, we have something from, I have not heard of this brand. It's called K Cosmic. I have never heard of that before. This is going to be a pressed shimmer powder in the shade called Autumn. Now something from Benefit. This is the 24-hour brow setter right here. I actually do have this product because I use Benefit all the time. I think this might be a little mini sample. Let's see. It is a little mini sample. It's so cute. Let me show you guys what it looks like to like the big thing. Size, and this is the little baby size. Is that not like the cutest thing? Oh my gosh. I love that. That is so cute. And then last but not least in here, we have something from Estate Cosmetics. This is called Most Wanted. And this is going to be a, well, I don't know. It doesn't say. It doesn't say what this is. So I'm assuming maybe a lip product, Most Wanted. No, I don't know what this is. Okay, so like I said, this bag does retail for $14. You do get 5 deluxe sample sizes. This used to be such an iconic bag because it used to have like deluxe sizes from brands that we all know and love that are found inside Ulta and Sephora. I have heard of some of these brands, but I have not heard of some of these brands either. So it's kind of like a mix. So we have 5 full size. We have 5 deluxe size. We have something from Estate. We do have a Benefit product, something from K Cosmic. We do have Grown Alchemist, and then we do have a brush right here. So for $14, it's not the worst thing in the world, honestly, because I did get a full thing of makeup for the most part. But it's definitely not my favorite. But also, probably the best part about this was the bag. I think the bag alone would probably be $14 for me. Something I could find at Target that I would really like. So I think this makes it worth it. But like the rest on the inside, they're okay. Moving on to the Boxycharm box. Now this actually does retail for $30 a month. And you get 5 full-size products in here. So let's see, are they actually any good? Because it's been real hit and misses with these boxes. Alrighty, so up first we have something from Michelle Beauty. This is a sheer glow primer. So there's no facts about it. I've never heard of this brand before. This is why like I do miss Boxycharm, because even though like Boxycharm wasn't always the best, I love that it came with a little insert that gave me all the information, price points and everything, and this never does, so it's a little frustrating. But yeah, we have something from Michelle Beauty, and it's a sheer glow primer. Next we have something from Galactic. This is going to be a Lash Play Duo Mascara. I have definitely seen this brand inside Ipsy so many times. All right, so this is how the mascara looks. So I'm assuming on one side you do have the wand. Okay, not a bad size wand actually. And on the other, you have a little mini. What? That's weird. What? How to apply. Apply the lengthening side to your upper lashes for definition. Use the detailing side to the lower lashes for lash separation. Oh my god, that's actually really cool. Nice, that's actually really awesome. That's exciting. So next, this box includes something from Cara Moon. This is going to be a Flower Melon Super Hydra Serum. So this Flower Melon Super Hydra Serum is a 3-in-1 elixir that hydrates, smooths, and plumps your skin to perfection. No parabens, no solvates, no synthetic fragrance, vegan, gluten-free, and never tested on animals. So this is definitely for a glowy product. Now you guys know that I am not about glowy skin. I have very, very oily skin, so I like to keep my skin as mattified and as hydrating as possible, but at the same time, I don't like anything that's going to add extra glowiness to it, so I don't really think I would get much use out of this, but these two definitely go hand in hand with the Sheer Glow Primer and then a Super Elixir Hydrating Serum. They definitely go hand in hand. Next, we have something from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is going to be a satin lipstick in the shade called Taupe Beige. Okay, that's actually really nice. Okay, let's see how this looks. So it's going to look like, so the only reason I'm not swatching it is because I never know whether or not I'm going to keep these, and I don't want to swatch it if I don't keep it. So it's gonna look like this, but I will insert a picture. But this is a beautiful lipstick from ABH. Okay, and last but not least, we do have an eyeshadow palette. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. So this is Destino. Oh, this actually looks like it's gonna be a really pretty eyeshadow palette. So I guess this is part of the packaging. It's actually a really pretty palette. I haven't tried too much from Alamar Cosmetics, but that's definitely a really, really, really pretty eyeshadow palette. Very nice. So it looks like with this box, it's $30. You do get an eyeshadow palette, a primer, a serum. You do get mascara and a lipstick. Now I will say, even though these are from brands that I don't necessarily know and not that familiar with, I do appreciate the fact that you spent $30 and you do get 5 makeup products in here. Now that to me is going to be absolutely worth it. Is it the most exciting box? Absolutely not. But like, I actually got makeup. I got 4 makeup items and 1 skincare. So this actually makes me quite happy. This actually makes me quite happy. All right, Boxycharm. Okay, so last one is we do have the Icon box right here. This used to be like the Glam Bag X. And I remember when celebrities used to curate it. Now, it still says that celebrities do, but usually it's like a big focal point. I'm not really seeing the focal point here, but I'm actually really excited to see what I get, because it says that this is going to contain products worth up to $350. So there's going to be 8 full-size items in here, and it occurs every 3 months. So I'm really excited to see what we got. We've definitely gotten some hits before in the Icon box, and like the Glam Bag X. Oh, I really miss the Glam Bag X. That was so freaking good. Alrighty, so up first, I do see something from Dew of the Gods. This is going to be a retinol and oat milk hyaluronic cream blend. So it says, introducing our most luxurious formula yet, an all-day moisturizer formulated with retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vegan oat milk. The theory is young, it's new. It's an iced London fog latte. California vegan style. If it's organic milk, it's a skin latte of love. Oh my god, who writes these? It's the retinol. For me, what's your theory of youth? Feel what's real. That's the theory. So you place a small amount on the fingertips and massage the theory into your skin using an upward and outward motion. Apply all the face and neck in the morning and at night. Use religiously. So we're definitely had to check this out. I have not had the best of luck with Dew of the God products, because there has been some incidents where it just hasn't worked the best for me, but I'm definitely curious to see what this is all about. So that's the first product that we got. Secondly, we got something from Murad. This is going to be a rapid collagen infusion with collagen amino acids. So this is a fast-acting treatment with a topical filler-like effect that plumps the skin surface to minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles after just 1 use. Formulated with collagen amino acids, this treatment smooths and visibly re-volumizes skin, while winged kelp helps restore youthful firmness. Are y'all trying to tell me something? I know I got them lifelines right here, but I'm really curious. I actually really do like Murad products, so it's actually really exciting for me, because I definitely will get a good use out of this one. Next, we have something from Act and Acre. This is a cold press stem cell scalp serum. The fuck is that? So powdered by H2 Glow Complex, this daily serum supports the scalp's natural growth cycle for fuller and thicker looking hair. Oh, very interesting. I kind of want to smell this to see how it smells. It smells like weird apples and like the bubble maker, like bubbles, like that stuff. Because that's what it kind of smells like. I don't really know how often I'd use this. I'm very particular about what I use in my hair, so like I don't know. Very interesting. Okay, so up next we have something from what? We have something from Miss Pat McGrath. Excuse me. Okay, so this is going to be Pat McGrath's Dark Star Mascara. What? This is actually kind of exciting. Now, you guys know I have a love-hate relationship with Pat McGrath. I do like their products. I do not like their price point, and I hate their customer service. But some of the products are actually not that bad. So this is the mascara. I don't think I've ever tried a Pat McGrath mascara. So I'm actually really excited to give this a go. She's not the best size wand. I do like thinner wands, but I am intrigued. I am intrigued. Miss Pat McGrath, what are you doing inside an icon box? What? All right, that's the first thing I got excited about this box. Okay. Next, we have something from Pathology. This is going to be Flash Patch. It's illuminating eye gels. No, my God. Okay, so this says brighten your under eyes in just 5 minutes. Helps reduces the appearance of dark circles, hyperpigmentation, and dull skin tone, all while gently cooling and invigorating the delicate eye area. Now listen, Linda. So back in the day when I used to religiously unbox Boxycharm and Ipsy every single month for like a year and a half straight, any skincare product that I got was only pertaining to the eyes. I barely ever got serums and moisturizers and exfoliants and toners and cleansers. I barely got any of that stuff. I used to only get eye products. So it's been a long time coming. I'm okay that we got this because we haven't gotten something for the eyes in such a hot minute. But before, I swear, I thought they were trying to tell me something. I was like, ever since I turned 30, I swear Boxycharm and Ipsy were like, your lifelines have got to go. You know what I mean? And so this is actually kind of funny. So I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before, but I'm kind of curious to see what this is all about. So I wonder if it smells good. Let's check this out. Does it smell good? Ooh, comes a little spoon. Ooh, look, and it's gold patch. Did I just drop something? I did. Oh my goodness. It's like little gold patches. Let's put it right here. Alrighty. Alright, guys. So that's how it looks. It smells nice. And it's like little gold patches. You leave it on for 5 minutes, then you take it off, and then you rub whatever's extra, like, into the skin. So we're just going to let my skin absorb it. I need to, like, wash my hands because it's, like, sticky. No. Okay, so not gonna lie, I washed my hands and this feels incredibly soft. So we're definitely gonna have to give this a go. Like I said, I've not heard anything from this brand at all. I'm very curious on it. I don't really use eye patches at all, so I'm kind of curious to wear like the golden ones and be like luxurious. Okay, so up next we have something from Laura Mercier. This is gonna be the Caviar Stick Color. This is gonna be a Caviar Stick Eye Color. This is going to be in the shade called Strike a Rose. That sounds really pretty. Let's take a look at this. Alrighty, so here we have the little eye color right here. Now, I'm not really a big fan of color sticks like this. I never really use them that often, so I'm actually not going to swatch this. I will insert a picture just because I know me. I really won't get much of a use out of something like this, so I'd rather go to Better Home and pass this along. Okay, so up next we have something from LYS. I really have been enjoying LYS. This is the Speak Love. This is the Glossy Lip Treatment Oil Duo. So this it's time to say goodbye to dry lips for good. Treat your lips to the extra TLC with this limited edition 2-piece lip kit featuring the Speak Love Hydrating Lip Treatment Oil. This irresistible non-sticky formula is fortified with a nourishing oil blend and vitamin E to help restore dry, chapped lips. I'm really excited about this. I do feel like this is nothing new. I feel like this has probably come out quite some time ago, but I'm still really excited to get it nonetheless. So here are the two products. I actually don't remember these at all. When did these come out? I'm just really curious. Okay, so this actually does retail for $22 for a 3-piece set, but this seems like this is not that old actually. So we have 2 of them right here. I really want to try these. I really do. Like I said, I really have been enjoying LYS. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to swatch one in my hand. Okay, so here is the one. And then we have another one. That's actually really pretty. Oh my gosh, this is actually really cool. I'm excited. LYS has been doing so good. So we have a little lip duo in here. That's actually really excited. I'm excited about this one. And then last but not least, we have something from Bobbi Brown. What? So this is going to be a highlighting powder in the shade called Pink Glow. I have only ever tried 2 things from Bobbi Brown. I don't really shop anything from this brand because it is pretty pricey. So let's see what we got. So this is going to be a highlighter. This would be a highlighting powder. Oh my God, this is actually really freaking pretty. Okay, so like, it's definitely like more like a glow thing. This is more of just like giving you like a nice little glow than like an outright highlighter, like boom in your face, kind of like my Fenty Beauty one right here. This is definitely more like an outright glow. It is really, really, really pretty. That's actually really exciting. So I'm actually really excited to try that out. So for the Icon box, we got 4 skincare products right here. Most are from brands I haven't really heard of or I'm not too familiar with. But then we also got 4 high-end brands right here, from Bobbi Brown to Laura Mercier to Pat McGrath to LYS. I definitely think this was a great box. It's a great balance between makeup and skincare, and I really, really love the fact that there's actually like high-end brands in this box. It makes it definitely more worth it for me because, like I have said previously in the past, I really do like it whenever, you know, Boxycharm and Ipsy used to put like name brands like Huda Beauty, Natasha Denona, Smashbox, Urban Decay, things that we were like Charlotte Tilbury, things that we were so well versed with. I really like seeing that back in here because it gets me more excited and definitely makes these boxes well worth it. But I also do appreciate that they did make an even balance between skincare and makeup. So definitely a fantastic box with the Icon one. I really, really enjoyed it. So overall, I definitely think that the Icon box was definitely a really good box. I did enjoy the Boxycharm box, even though it's not my favorite. I did enjoy the fact that it's mostly makeup in here. And then we do have the Glam bag. Now this one was a little bit more disappointing to me just because they're pretty much full of products I don't know, and this used to be the best in my opinion. So that was actually really exciting to unbox. Like I said, we never know what we're going to get when it comes to Ipsy and Boxycharm. Sometimes these boxes are great, and it's kind of more few and far between when that happens. And a lot of times you're kind of like, why did I spend money on this? Do you know what I mean? So I definitely think that Boxycharm and Ipsy did a really good job this month. I think the Icon box really kind of pulled it together for me. So Ipsy and Boxycharm, thank you guys so much for sending this my way. If you guys do want to get your hands on these, I'll have it linked down below. I'm not affiliated with them whatsoever. I get no money. I don't have a discount code, nothing. I just have a link. I'll just link it down below if you guys want to check it out. But let me know down below if you guys still get these boxes. If you do, what do you guys think? Are you guys excited about it? Do you guys not like it? Do you guys get to pick more items in here compared to before? Let me know. But that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, so I do post 4 to 5 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! I'm like yellow-orange, and I don't really know what's going on with my camera. God damn it. Well, we're just going to be yellow-orange today, because she's just looking weird. Okay. While winged kelp keeps patches gel illuminates. This is from Pathology. This is Flash patches gel illuminators. The fuck is what is that?